Today we're opening 3 Surging Sparks 1-pack blisters. Let's go! And these are the promos. What do you think, Pikachu? Are we gonna get lucky?
Pika.
So I'm opening this Pikachu pack because it's obviously gonna give me the illustration rare Pikachu. Technical and Arsena. Ooh, that's a new one.
Okay.
Ooh. Give me that Pikachu, brother. Oh, I thought it was a Pikachu. Ooh, Pikachu, brother. Sandygast, Surfer Dude. Oh, I'm gonna go kill him. If you like, comment, and subscribe, and get me to 1,000 subs, you can get one of these cards. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Just like, comment, and